So yeah, so the only news that I have for you is that Wet and Wild announced finally the release dates of everyone that's gonna carry this product. It says the usual: Walgreens, CVS, Ulta, Rite Aid, and wetandwild.com, and they announced that they are doing a box set. Ugh. It doesn't matter. I'll just, purchase the box set, and then return the items inside to Walmart, where I bought those items from. Um, so yeah, so they announced that they were going to release it today. Sorry that my face is yellow. I'm finishing up the last of my um, uh, Mary Kay foundation. Last week it didn't turn yellow, but it looks like it did today. But anyway, um, and then I think throughout April, the other places are going to carry it. Like they were supposed to carry today, but Wet and Wild just announced that it's not today, it's tomorrow. Ulta was supposed to get on the 9th, and now they changed it to the 19th. So I think little by little throughout April, all the other stores are gonna carry it. They usually carry it, which I really believe that HEB's buyers are the same as Rite Aid, or the sellers or whatever, where they buy from. So I'm pretty sure HEB will get them in too. But one of them, and it might be CVS, isn't going to carry it till May, supposedly. So it's not Walmart exclusive. So it will be coming to all the stores. And so far, the only store in my area that supposedly has it right now is the one that I've been going to, that's about 5 miles away from me. The one that's across the street from me supposedly doesn't have it, because now they're finally announcing on the Walmart website who's carrying it. So you might want to check, because I believe they ran out of everything sold out on the website already. So I'm glad I was able to get it from the website, because I was able to use the PayPal, and it gives you 6 months to pay. So I didn't mind doing it that way. I just kind of upset about the box set. But anyway, so it's $75. And as usual, it's not really carrying anything great. It's carrying two of the lipsticks, which is good, but only two of the lip glosses. I'm not sure if it carries the lip ball. It's got again, I don't know how many times they're going to release that. Only thing cute about is a little keychain that comes with it. It's got the eyeshadow, but not the face palettes. I think it's got the brushes, but I don't think it has the brush holder. So stuff like that. So just for your FYI. Okay, so anyway, I will see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye.